Welcome to Fengsheng Ancient Town. In this vlog we're going to explore the old streets, we're going to stay overnight in a guest house, and then tomorrow we're going to co-host a dragon boat themed event organised by Banan District. This board here is basically the same as what's on the flags, so it's just an advertisement for our dragon boat event tomorrow morning. So what's special about the Fengsheng Ancient Town is that the residents are still here. So on a walk just around the main street, you could just see like the locals just hanging around on the street corners, just there socialising, playing mahjong and all that. If you take the example of Suchiko Ancient Town in the Chongqing urban area, most of the original residents have actually moved out and they rent their shops to commercial outlets. As you might see, it's really quiet today. So the event is actually tomorrow, and tomorrow is the day before the Dragon Boat Festival itself. So we came here early just to get a bit of practice in, practice our lines, do a bit of rehearsals. When we're on stage tomorrow, we're going to be talking about the origins of the Dragon Boat Festival, and particularly about the protagonist Chu Yuan, who was alive during the Warring States period in Chinese history. And then once we've finished describing that, we're going to have a couple of interactive activities, such as this one down here. So we're going to be making some more zongzi, the glutinous rice cakes. The organisers have also prepared an ancient Chinese style robe for me to wear during the event, so stay with me and you'll get to see what it looks like. Alright, so hot pot's on the menu tonight. Me here, so we've got some coagulated blood. We've got some lovely tripe called Mao Du here in Chongqing. And of course the duck intestines as well. Okay, so it's the next morning here in Fengsheng Asian Town, and as you can see, a lot of the guests have already arrived. I suppose we're feeling a little bit nervous at the moment. We've got a lot of people here, and also some important dignitaries like consuls here in Chongqing, so I definitely don't want to mess up, but I think it's going to be okay.
记着卡点啊，他有请那个领导的时候就准备放了啊。好，你接着
千年文化，敦武至今思区。
这一次举行的第3届，我是巴南区融媒体中心的主持人侯玉玲。
我是来自英国的詹姆斯。 So please offer your masters the veneration letter. The disciples have long venerated the master's integrity, skill, morals and talent. Now, they humbly request the master to accept them as disciples of pure heart, both in action and in words. Under the master's tutelage, they will follow his teachings, unify with his fellows, study diligently, work hard, pass on the art forms, and propagate intangible heritage and Chinese culture. Now you can bow to your master.
好，让我们得以留念，记录下这美好的一刻。
Let's take a photograph together to remember this great moment.
评委，好吧，然后。 我们倒数5个数，我们开始啊，开始我们今天的比赛。来，我们准备好了没有？好。计时在哪儿？罗总，5分钟的计时啊。
去看看，我去看看。假包，现在假包平了，还有一个不包，平的包，不包。
哎，杨毅，你们要。
我们用手一定要压，把它压紧实。 压紧实，哎，关键的怎么折叠的要讲清楚。来，我们反过来看一下，来，然后折，我们再包一下，一定要把它们学会，因为一会儿还。
So you first put the pillow like this.
3、2、1。
Okay, so did you enjoy the events this morning?
Yeah, the event was really very good and we enjoy a lot. I have been here in like 1.5 years in Chongqing. The city, oh my god, amazing city.
So where were you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
是就在重庆渝北，但是最近我在参加一个我在重庆的一个活动，所以从5月开始，我基本上每周末都有来帮忙。
오늘의 행사는 어떻게 생각해요?
외국 사람들하고 같이 이런 행사를 하는 거 자체가 좀 더 중국 문화를 이해하는데 많은 도움이 된 것 같아요.
These are fatty intestines. Yummy.
真的是挺好。有什么哪个地方本地特点的？
那个也是特产，好多特产。
平常都是干酱的。
这种是哪种呢？
你是原味这种，这是麻辣味，这是什么香味这种。
Tasty, yeah. Good texture as well. Really nice.
给他们宣传一下呀。
可以啊。
好，这多少钱一个？
那个是3瓶。哦，看的是那个。
这些它可以放多久啊？
哎，看了就一直放起。
回去给他们啃，妈妈就回来了。这也是特产啊？那你想吗？
他们那个一样嘛，是吧？
一样的，对对。
火山红、黄还有绿，
对，
还有黑色，
漂亮的。So this is a locally produced speciality, so kind of wine here. 哦，这个地上的是。
高粱，这个是发酵。
So even that hot tub over there, they're actually shoveling out the malt. So let's go over and take a closer look. So these are a speciality here in Chongqing. So these are horse beans, and here we've got them in 4 different flavors. The Dragon Boat Festival part of the day has finished, so we've left Fengsheng Fengsheng Old Town, and we're at a park up here in the middle of the Bannan countryside called Caise Senlin, like a colour forest. All in all, the event hosting went pretty well. I didn't make any big mistakes, I didn't really stutter, didn't have any stage fright or anything like that. Everyone seems really happy, the event organisers, they haven't been complaining to me. Okay, so did you enjoy the event this morning?
Yeah, I really enjoyed the event. It was really cool.
Yeah, what did you like about it?
It was lively, I would say, and yeah, the
This is really good. Yeah, it's really cool. I like the people here. They're quite friendly, and I like the trips.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. There's a lot of adventure.
Sure. Yeah, and finally, did he try making the zongzi this morning? How did he do?
Well, it was pretty not easy, but I caught it.
Wow, the scenery up here is really quite incredible. Yeah, I mean, I love this place. So we're going to finish the day off by picking some strawberries and also some tomatoes in the fields behind me.哦，要辛苦了，辛苦了。
没有，我是指他摘了这么多，你看人家摘的。
这个。
好吧。这么。
Pretty amazing experience from the
And how long have you been in Chongqing?
4 years.
Oh, 4 years. What do you do here?
I'm studying.
Studying. Okay. And where were you from?
I'm from Russia.
Russia. Okay, great. How has your experience been today?
It was amazing. I woke up so early and saw the sunshine and Chinese dragons, zongzi. It was an amazing day. First of all, I like the ancient town and old architecture, all those kind of people, and the show, the show we did.
Okay, and did you try making the zongzi?
Yeah, I tried. It was really hard.
So it's been another fantastic day with Laowai at Chongqing in Banan district. So because we've had 2 events in about 3 or 4 days, we're going to take a break next weekend. But on the 4th of July, we're going to be back. So stay tuned and let's see where we go that day.